Let's open great vocational schools so our future workers can learn a craft and realize their full potential.
We're here and we're ready. Lincoln Tech has been training America's workforce for over 70 years. 14 states, 23 campuses. Hands-on career-focused training programs in automotive, diesel, and heavy equipment technology. Skilled trades like HVAC, electrical, welding, and CNC machining and manufacturing. Health sciences including medical and dental assistants, practical nursing, and medical coding and billing. A wide variety of other programs like culinary arts, massage therapy, even cosmetology. At Lincoln Tech, our commitment doesn't end with graduation. We help our students build a better future by finding positions that showcase their talents and reflect their passion. More than 3 out of 4 Lincoln Tech grads get hired in their field of study. Almost 7,500 employers hired Lincoln Tech grads last year. Over 250,000 Lincoln Tech grads have launched careers since 1991. As generations of baby boomers retire, people trained in the skilled trades are in high demand. Lincoln Tech is dedicated to creating career paths for men and women that will keep America successful and strong. Your potential is limitless. There's never been a better time to follow your heart and live your dreams. Put your potential to work with Lincoln Tech.